So I had an idea after watching this video right here. What if I put ChatGPT 5 and Grok up against each other to create GTA? Literally try to create GTA in 30 minutes. As you can see, I have a timer right here. So we got ChatGPT right here and we got Grok right here. And let's see you could make GTA from scratch, no game engine, in 30 minutes. Create GTA in 30 minutes from scratch, no game engine. Let's just tell it that it's like a master coder. You are a master game creator. All right, let's see what it gives us. I don't think I'm ready. Let's start the timer. 30 minutes begin and go. I don't know what we're about to get, but we're gonna see. I have my money on Grok for some reason. Okay, so it's using HTML and stuff, so that's cool. All right, it is done coding and it just gave me some next steps to do. It actually took about like 2 minutes roughly for it to code all that. Let's take this and put it in our new HTML file. All right, and we're just gonna paste it and save. All right, let's try to open it and let's see if it freaking runs. What the yo, it made a 2D game. There is a mini map though right here. Yo, what the heck? And I'm like a little person. I'm like a circle. I guess it works though. Can I get in a car? No, I cannot. What are these things? I mean, it's getting there. This is more resembling of GTA like 2 or GTA 1. I don't know if this is GTA 3D. This is low-key cool though. Like, I honestly did not expect it to generate this. What I'm looking at, we gave it no textures, nothing to build on, and it created this. So that's mighty impressive. All right, let's tell it to do more though. We have 25 minutes left, so there's a lot we can expand on. Let's tell it to make it 3D first of all. Yes, add guns. That's what make GTA. Come on. All right, it's thinking. Oh my gosh, how is it gonna make that 3D? I'm actually curious. I honestly don't know how far this will go. ChatGPT, I need you to cook right here. We're not gonna make some beautiful graphics, I feel like, but we're gonna get somewhere. All right, it's done with this. It says if I wanted to add vehicles, like I can enter and drive and like 2 weapons. But we're gonna do this after we analyze what it just made. So let's paste it, all the code in. Let's run this thing. Oh, well, it's pitch gray. Yeah, I see exactly nothing, so that's great. Let's tell it that. Yeah, all I see is gray still, so that's not good at all. All I see is gray still. Come on, ChatGPT. Let's see if it does it right this time. Jeez Louise. You know, it did something right here. Instead of gray, I could see black. So that's great. All right, let's just tell it to scratch it and just make 2D shooter like GTA 2. Because the 3D thing, I think, is tripping up right now. It generally cannot do it. And I want to use an engine, but I also want to see the full capability of ChatGPT, and it cannot process this freaking 3D world. All right, it's done with the code. Let's paste it and test it. Hopefully we actually get some results, you know what I mean? Other than my black void. Okay, this is something. This is nothing like GTA, but this is kind of cool though. It just looks like one of those thingies, like IO games. But we still got 15 minutes left, so let's try and make this somewhat special. Come on. Low-key, I've been playing this for like the past minute or so, and low-key is kind of fun. It wants me to add cars, money, and upgrades, like gun upgrades. Yes, add all that. Copy all this code, paste it in here. You know how it goes, and let's freaking see. What is this? I can pick up green things after I kill them. That's like, I think that's money. Is that money? Oh, it is. Look at the top right, it's adding money. And these, oh, it changes the weapon style when I pick up the pink things. You know what? This is kind of like GTA. This is really like GTA. I'm liking this, but we need to make it 3D. Come on. I feel like ChatGPT can make this 3D. Come on, bro. You could do it. I literally believe in you, ChatGPT. I fully believe in you. You let me down the first time, but I think the 6 times the charm, however much time you need. We got 10 minutes on the clock. You can make this 3D, bro. I believe in you. We can make GTA 6. Oh my gosh. The code is done. Let's see what it made. I'm low-key excited. Okay, copy and paste the code. Click it to run. Whoa, what is this? Wait, what? I actually don't know. I'm moving. Like, what is that? Do you guys see that in the distance? Like, are those people or something? Why does my gun go everywhere? I just want a game where I look like I'm in GTA and I'm just walking around, okay? Honestly, forget all the other stuff at this point because it's low-key failing. I'm trying to bring it back in the game right now. What the heck am I looking at right now? I mean, it works. It looks like I'm swimming. Oh, whoa. Guys, do you see this? We might have GTA 6 on our hands. We are better than Rockstar Game. We together on the TEF channel are gonna take over the gaming industry. Look at this. No, time is running out. I think I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the rest of this game because we just made a masterpiece, bro. Overall, I'm gonna give ChatGPT a freaking 7 out of 10. Like, obviously we don't know what Grok could do yet, but just compared to like working with the actual game engine from scratch, not helping at all, just itself and my prompts, my terrible prompts by the way, it created this. That's crazy impressive. Now it's time to do Grok. So we're gonna start the timer for 30 minutes and let's give it a prompt. Make us GTA 5, but this time we're gonna tell it to make it 3D. If Grok can do this in one go, Grok is better than ChatGPT. Let's see. It's coding pretty fast. I like what I see. Let's make a new file. Let's just call it GTA Grok. Whoa, off the rip, this is way better than whatever ChatGPT made. When I press S, I go forward, and when I press W, I go backward. I don't know what's going on, but this is way better than ChatGPT first time. A lot of points to Grok right here. What the heck? All right, let's try to refine this. All right, so I told it to make me a stick man, and so that I could free roam, and also make me a house and a car in a driveway that I can like get into and drive. Hopefully it transformed whatever we just saw there to something better. So far, Grok is in the lead. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I'm a stick man. I got a little house right here. Can I go inside it though? I can go inside it, but there's nothing there. Okay, one thing I don't like is how W, it makes me start going back, and how S is forward. Let's get near the car. Let's try to enter it. Oh, do you guys see this? When I go back, the car goes forward. Why are we in space? And now I'm twirling. Guys, this actually might be GTA. This might actually be GTA. All right, how do I get out? So let's go back in my house, and this game is actually better than GTA. All right, so Grok, I just want Grok to make me a game with JavaScript and HTML that I can play right now. And the only features I want, the only thing I'm asking is just give me a house and a car so that I can be able to go inside of it. And I also want to run, jump, and pick up a gun to shoot. You know, very GTA. So let's see if it could do this right now and make anything better than when it just made. It's done coding. That's surprising. Didn't take that long. Let's see if this is good. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Guys, the mouse is actually in the screen, but when I press W, I go backwards. G to grab gun. Hold on. Let me see if this works. Boom, pew, 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 pew. Okay, guys, we have a working gun, technically. I could jump, I could run. This is way better than what ChatGPT made. Maybe because I had better prompts on this one. All right, so I'm just asking it to give my house 3 rooms, a bedroom, a living room, and a kitchen, and put furniture and stuff inside. Let's see if it could do that. That's all I want. I want to be able to, you know, come home after a long day of GTAing and cook something, maybe go to sleep. You know what I mean? All right, wait, we're in. Oh, I can look around. And my controls, when I press W, it actually goes forward. That's huge. And here's my house. Is my door? Is that my door? I think this is my door. I'm gonna go inside here. Boom. And this is my freaking bed. Yo, these are generally just blocks in space. Why am I glitching everywhere? All right, I got my whip though. Oh, yo, I'm driving. Guys, I'm literally driving. I think it's safe to say that Grok won this one. I mean, look at this. Grok definitely won this one. This is like first person GTA, I guess. Like, this is pretty much GTA 6 if I were to compare anything. This is definitely better than GTA 5. And compared to what ChatGPT made, you know, oddly, you know, this one's good. Don't get me wrong. Like, this will probably get like 70 million sales in day 1. But Grok definitely takes the cake. I think I would rather have a house than just empty this and just, I don't even know if you want to call this a human. Tell me what you think in the comments below though, like which one won. I'm gonna say Grok, but hey, to each their own. But yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. This video was so dumb.